Welcome to our presentation on the Prevailing Wage User Guide for submitting the annual online construction survey. The objective of this video is to walk the online survey participants through a step-by-step process of submitting the annual construction survey on wage, benefit, and other pay rates construction employers pay to employees in various occupations. Beginning in 2026, the construction survey will no longer be submitted by paper, as it has now been made more streamlined and easier to fill out through the department's online citizen portal. Communication sent to you from the department contains a link to our citizen portal site seen here. If you already have an account with the portal, you will simply log in. If you do not have an account, you can register for a new account from this page. Once logged in, you will be on the home page and see your account name. From the blue navigation bar at the top, you will find the Prevailing Wage Survey tab. Hovering over this tab will render the choices of both the construction and non-construction survey. Clicking on the construction survey will take you to that survey. The first page of the construction survey offers the participant an opportunity to click and link to download directly to their device survey instructions, wage district map, and a description of the construction survey occupations. This opportunity to click and download instructions is available on other pages of the survey as well. On this page, the survey asks 3 pre-survey questions, which, depending on your answers, may determine you are not required to fill out a survey. This slide will only be exposed to those survey participants who answer yes to the question, "Are you filling out the survey for multiple contractors?" As with all the tables, you will input information into the table by clicking either Add a row for a single row at a time, or click the triangle directly next to the Add a Row tab to expose multiple rows for input. Be advised, whatever number of rows you select, you must have that number of rows of data to input. Once the box pops up, input your data in each field shown. You may use the Tab key to move from field to field. Any field with a red asterisk is a required field, and you must input data into those fields. Once you have finished filling in the fields, you simply click Submit to move on. Once the Submit button is clicked from a pop-up box, the table will reveal the data you submitted as shown here. Any data shown in this table can be edited or deleted by selecting the box next to the line and then clicking the Edit or Delete button. Once everything is correct, you can move on with the survey by clicking the Continue button. On this page, you will either click Select from Account to bring in your contact information set up in your login account, or you can add a new type of contact. Once you have established a contact for this survey, you simply click Continue. After continuing from the contact page, you will see a display of the contact you have chosen or derived. At this time, you can view and review the contact information. You can edit any part of the information by clicking on the Edit area. If you are happy with what you view, then hit Continue. On the next page, you will see a description of building construction, highway construction, and heavy construction. You will then be asked what type of construction your firm performs. Whatever you choose, you will be treated to a separate table to input your wage, benefit, and other pay types for that construction type. Click Continue to move to the next page. For each of the construction types you selected, you will receive a table to input your information for that construction type. All tables will have the same functionality, whereas you will select the number of rows to input those in the pop-up box, and upon submitting, you will be offered the table filled in with your info to review, confirm, and move on. You can also download the survey instructions from any of these tables if desired. During the input of wage, benefit, and other pay for individual occupations of the construction types you perform work on, you will be asked if you specifically pay zone pay, travel pay, or per diem pay for each of those reported occupations. The next pages of the survey will bring forth questions about these additional payments to employees. First, you will be asked to report on zone pay, but only if you declared earlier that you do pay zone pay. If you do, you will first be asked if all occupations reported get paid the same or universal zone pay. If so, you will answer yes and will report your universal zone pay in one place and save the redundancy of listing the same zone pay on all your occupations. If you do not pay universal zone pay, you will answer no to universal pay and then be exposed to a table that will require you to edit the table and input your zone pay for the listed individual occupations separately. When not paying universal zone, travel, or per diem pay, a table will render out to you and you will be required to edit the table with the proper pay rates for each occupation. To edit these tables, you will click the box next to each line or the box at the top to click all boxes. Clicking Edit Selected will then take you to a pop-up box where you will input your data. If the table had multiple pages, you would need to edit each page. Hitting Submit takes you back to the original table, but now you will see the table is no longer calling for edits to be made and you can continue to the next page. The document upload page will allow you to upload any documents from your own files. Rather than hitting Continue on this page, you will click the blue Browse button. On the pop-up box, hit Browse, which will render out your own file directory to choose which document you want to upload. Once your document choice is selected, you click Continue in the pop-up box. The system will ask you to select the type of document from the two-choice drop-down. You will also be required to input a document description. Once you have inputted your own description, hit the Save button. You will now be back to the upload page where your document will be listed. Hitting Continue will take you to the final page of the survey. The last page is a review page. This page compiles all your input from the previous pages. Hitting Continue will finish out the survey and create the survey record in the system. You will be taken back to the main page on the portal where you will see the record number generated from the survey. You can again see the record details by clicking View Record Details. Upon this record creation, you will also receive an email thanking you for submitting a survey. If you have any questions, please contact the following.